Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this vlog we are going to visit Macau. So last vlog में आपने देखा होगा कि हमने Hong Kong day tour किया था. We visited different place and after that the next day we had the ferry booked from Hong Kong Central Pier to the Macau ferry terminal. हमने इसका online booking किया था from Klook and Klook is one of the best apps in terms of booking so many different things and हमें ये 2000 rupees per ticket गिरा था. So as you can see कि we first boarded, like we checked in into the pier. बहुत like it was a small process but yeah, and this is how the boat was looking. It was like quite spacious, बहुत बड़ा था and even the sitting capacity was a good amount of seating capacity. So yes, even if आप it's better to do online but on the spot भी you will get the tickets. So उसका कोई tension नहीं है and this were the seats. Okay, there were no meals provided per se but yeah, it was quite comfortable. I think the journey was about for 2 hours from Hong Kong to Macau and it was quite comfortable. Like I slept here and it was good. And after that we reached. So हमने हमारा बुकिंग किया था in Venetian Macau. From ferry we got the complimentary bus shuttle for Venetian Macau. So Macau is known as the Vegas of Asia and after entering actually में वैसी vibes आ रहे थे. So this was the first site which we spotted and ये है Londonier Macau. रात में तो बहुत ही beautiful दिखता है. So basically there are these three things which are tied to each other, that is Londonier, Venetian and Parisian. So we had booked our hotels in the Venetian Macau. This was the entrance of it. आप देख सकते हो कि कितना beautiful है. आते ही एक royal feeling आ जाता है. And yes, so after that हमने enter किया था in the elevator and elevator में भी इतना royal feeling आ रहा था. As you can see, एक different ही world लग रहा था ये all together. Macau is also famous for casinos. हमारे भी hotel में था which we visited but we weren't allowed to take photos there. After doing all the processes we checked in our room. So as you can see, this is the entrance. This was the big mirror and मैंने एक t-shirt पहना था which I took from the Hong Kong and उस पे लिखा था I love HK which is I love Hong Kong. So आप ये देख सकते हो कि ये बाथरूम कितना beautiful है. So this was a 5-star stay and ये एक्चुअल में एक 5-star जैसे ही लग रहा था. बहुत spacious था. As you can see, the room is so big and उसी के बाजू में there is a living room as you can see and दोनों जगह पे in the room as well as living room में उन्होंने TV दे के रखा था. This were the sittings, this was the dining and ये हमारा बाहर का व्यू था. तो बाहर की व्यू में भी बहुत ही लग्जरी होटल्स हम स्पॉट कर पा रहे थे. So हमारा फेरी था ऑफ 12 and after and we reached here around 2. So हम पहुंचने के बाद थोड़ा रेस्ट किया and थोड़े टाइम के लिए हम जस्ट नियर बाय प्लेसेस देख रहे थे to get an idea कि क्या क्या एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. So we got to know कि there are like this 3 trio is there of Macau, that is the Parisian, Venetian and the Londonier which is connected internally. So हमने थोड़ा देखा कि this was the Venetian and then we thought कि let's get ready and हम explore करने निकल जाते हैं. Any which way सब एक ही vicinity में है so it will be easier to explore. So firstly we as we were staying in Venetian तो हमने Venetian ही explore किया and यहाँ पे तो बहुत ही अच्छा the feeling was very good. So even the backgrounds and everything. So हमने बहुत photos, videos, I collect a lot and just because I was not getting satisfied with any of the ones, so मैं यहाँ पे सब कुछ ही post कर दे रही हूँ. It was like a runway only for me. And हमारे साथ और भी थोड़े लोग जो which were completely strangers, they were coming to us and they were also clicking photos or videos with us. So वो भी एक because we were like looking completely different from them and वो मकाऊ में तो है टूरिस्ट बहुत आते हैं but people were very fond of seeing us जब हमने जैसे dress up किया था and everything. So yeah, इसीलिए this is my third video. I am posting the same one with the same walk as if I am doing some ramp walk on a show. So यहाँ पे हमने थोड़े photos वगैरह click करने के बाद we went to the next one internally which is the Parisian and as you can see कि उन्होंने Eiffel Tower यहाँ पे बनाया है. ये भी बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा था. नाइट व्यू तो इसका some different level पे दिख रहा था and इसी के बाजू में मतलब अभी पुरानी दिख रहा है but there was this Londonier. So this was the ऑल्सो सराउंडिंग एरियाज एज यू कैन सी बहुत ही मस्त था। एंड ये सब विजिट करने के लिए यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग, सब फ्री में है। यहाँ पे भी द ऑब्जर्वेशन डेक एज यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट फ्लोर वॉज फ्री। अगर एकदम ही ऊपर जाना है तो यू हैव टू पे समवेयर अराउंड 88 मकाओ पटाका। सो यहाँ की करेंसी मकाओ की है, मकाओ पटाका करके है। सो दैट इज द करेंसी ऑफ योर। सो यू हैव टू पे टू गो ऑन द टॉप। बट ये जो ऑब्जर्वेशन डेक दिख रहा है एकदम आई लेवल पे, दैट वॉज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। एंड जो सामने दिख रहा है दिस इज द लंडन ईयर मकाओ। सो रात में तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है। इट लिटरली लुक्स लाइक और इट फील्स लाइक कि यू आर स्टेइंग इन वेगस इटसेल्फ। सो अभी जो हम ये व्यू देख रहे हैं दैट इज फ्रॉम द ऑब्जर्वेशन डेक विच इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। एंड यहाँ पे एवरी हाफ एन आवर में इट स्टार्ट्स ग्लिटरिंग एंड इन डिफरेंट कलर्स। एंड देर इज ऑल्सो अ सॉन्ग प्लेड एज इफ द आईफल टावर itself it is dancing on the song or the music. This is the beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower and here I am gazing at it and making few beautiful good videos. And as you can see ये escalator है which takes you to the top. If you want to see the city view then it's a good option but we did not choose for it. हम ऊपर नहीं गए थे, हमने observation deck से ही everything we saw. And ये लंडन ईयर मकाओ का like from one place only you are getting both the views. Eiffel Tower का भी मिल रहा है and लंडन ईयर का भी मिल रहा है। And sometimes in between they play some songs. So here I am dancing on one of the song. Start to dance and I'm singing like, girl, I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my. So here are few of the photos from the Parisian Macau. And इसके बाद हम बाहर से गए थे to the London Yer Macau. So this was the entrance point of it. And यहाँ पे ये एक show होने वाला था, the Majesty show, somewhat like that. So here you can also take a look of it. The Londoner welcomes you.
Your Majesty, proceed.
सो दैट वाज द मैजेस्टी शो एंड उसके बाद हमने लंदन ईयर अंदर से घूमा एंड दिस आर फ्यू ऑफ द फोटोज एंड उसके बाद हम बाहर गए एंड वी वर थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट टू ईट क्योंकि खाने के बहुत लिमिटेड ऑप्शंस हैं एंड स्पेशली यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल भी इंडियन फूड अवेलेबल ही नहीं था, नॉट इवन नॉर्मल फूड, इटालियन फूड और समथिंग लाइक दिस, सब एशियन काइंड ऑफ फूड था जिसमें बहुत सारा मीट, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मीट और सी फूड अवेलेबल था. सो वी वर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी इन दैट but after roaming for some time as you can see and after clicking good few pictures we went to the food court and हमने वहाँ से Thai curry लिया था, Thai curry. So this is the curry and we got like little bit of rice and उसके बाद after roaming and doing each and everything we came back to our place, we rested and here I would be ending my vlog and this is really a beautiful place, so you guys should definitely come here at least once. So thank you for watching it and do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.